guys, it's Gina and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, what's up, how are you? That's all I got. So, like I did in my Thursday's video, I will show a picture right now of the giveaway if you didn't get to watch it, because I will also have it in here because you guys have until Thursday to enter. What you have to do is you have to like the video, be subscribed, and I am checking to see if you are actually subscribed, so don't like subscribe to enter so then I can write your name down and then you unsubscribe when I've commented on your comment. Don't do that. I've already noticed that some people did. Don't do it, because that is not fair to my other subscribers who are loyal and who are here all the time. I would love for you guys to subscribe and stay here. Trust me, I do pretty bomb videos, I would think, so you should probably stay here and want to be a part of that. And then leave your Instagram down below, and if not, just keep your I'll have your username and I will try to find a way to contact you, because I can on YouTube. There's that way, or just watch for next week's video if you end up getting picked. And this video is going to be about products that I want to try. I saw Madison Miller do this and I thought this was an interesting video. I have her video linked down below. I love Madison Miller. I love her vlog channel with her and her child, or her baby, and then I love watching her like makeup videos, and this was like a really good idea because like there is a lot of products that came out that I would love to try and I want to share with you guys because you might see them on this channel. And what I do is I have them on my phone and I'm going to read them off to you and why I would want to try them, and I'm going to have a picture pop up next to me of what they are, so that's easier than me just showing you on my phone, because sometimes the image isn't as good as it would be if I just screenshotted it and put the picture up right here. So without further ado, let's get on into the video. Alright, so the first thing I want to try are the Stila Shade Mystery Liquid Eyeshadows. I'll also have the name pop up down below like I've been doing. And I want to try the shades Psychic, Mythical, and Charmed. And what I've seen so far is that these are like, basically like their metal eyeshadows. I'll show you what those look like. They're basically like these already, which this is the Magnificent Metals Glitter and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow. And that's basically what those are, but they're just a different, like this is like obviously like a solid color in the tube, but those ones are like a, like a white and like a pigment kind of mixed in. That's what I've seen so far, and they come out very sheer and pretty. I saw them on Trend Moods, and I thought they'd be so interesting to try. And those are the shades that I like the most out of them. They have like a range, not like a range, but maybe 8 shades, not too sure. I'll put a number up right here of what the actual shade number is that they actually have. And I love Stila's eyeshadow things because these are so easy to apply to the eyelid when you're like done, because like if you have long nails like I do, these are absolutely perfect because you don't have to put your eye and like try not to mess up the outer corner of the eye and all that junk, or like stab yourself in the eye because long nail problems. So I always thought those were interesting to try, and hopefully you guys will be seeing those on my channel at some point throughout the year. And the next thing I want to try is the Charlotte Tilbury Air Flash Flawless Finish Setting Powder. Now this is a setting powder that comes in a compact. It's not like a tub of setting powder. It's literally used by like almost everybody in the beauty community. And I just want to try it because like it's always sold out for one. So like that's gotta be that. It means that it's gotta be good, right? Well, for most people. And I also just want to give it a try because I'm getting tired of using my same setting powders. Like, you ever get into like such a routine that like you love, but like when you start getting like annoyed with some of the things in it? That's how I'm feeling with my makeup routine. Like, I love every product I use in my makeup routine, but I kind of want to switch it up and try new things and see if I would like them. So that's kind of why I want to try this Charlotte Tilbury setting powder, and it's in a compact, and it actually comes in like light, medium, and dark, or fair, medium, dark. I'm pretty sure it's fair, medium, dark, which means you could set it with your whole face and it keeps color, because sometimes translucent setting powder, when you apply it all to your face, you lose the color your foundation gives you. So that's that. The next thing I want to try is the Tarte Pro Glow Highlight and Blush Palette. I have the original Tarte Pro Glow palette, and this thing I used to love all the time. I honestly kind of forget about it because It's in my highlighting drawer for the highlighting shades because they are just gorgeous. So let me swatch you a couple of them. We'll do Strobe and Stunner, because those are the ones I like the most. But these are what the shades look like, and they're super buttery and just beautiful. That's what they look on. They're very like sheen. They're nothing near like a Jeffree Star whatsoever, but like you can see them in the light. I don't really know why it's not really picking up, but like these are good. And this is all blushes, and I am a sucker for blushes. I don't know why, but I used to not like blush at all, and now I'm like totally into blushes. So I'd love to try that, and it's Tarte. I freaking love Tarte. If you're new to this channel, like Tarte is my go-to brand. Just letting you know, you'll see a lot of Tarte products in this channel, but like it's Tarte. So what could possibly go wrong with using a Tarte product? I mean, there are things that could go wrong using a Tarte product because some of them aren't like the best, but like 99.9% of the time, Tarte products are like freaking amazing. Next thing I want to try is the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Instant Retouch Concealer and the setting powder. I literally just ordered them online today because I don't have time to go to a Sephora store today or tomorrow before Sunday's video. So I ordered the concealer and the setting powder. And the best part about the concealer is that Rihanna herself, the queen, has said that if you use a certain shade in the Pro Filter to get that same exact number in your concealer, because it is a lighter shade, it's like a hue lighter than your foundation. So I did that because in my Fenty shade, I'm 180. I know I don't use the Fenty Beauty foundation as much anymore because I can't really use it in the winter months, but I can use it in like the fall when I'm starting to get pale. I can use it then, but like right now I'm like too dry for a matte foundation. She said to do that, and then there's a corresponding setting powder, which I'll have popped up here. It literally says if you're from shades 100 to 190, like this is your setting powder shade. Who does that? Like, that's so awesome. I've never seen, this is my first time ever seeing like setting powders actually directed towards a certain skin tone, not just like a brightening powder for everybody and you think it's gonna work for everybody, or a setting powder that they think is gonna work for everybody. Like every skin tone has their own setting powder and brightening powder. Like Rihanna, you are amazing. And then the next thing I want to try is the Tarte Water Foundation. I had the first batch of them that came out like 2 years ago. Well, it didn't come out 2 years ago, but I bought it 2 years ago, and it was because it's a water-based foundation, which is fine, but it was so sheer. And when I mean sheer, like you couldn't even call it light coverage or a tinted moisturizer. It barely looked like anything went on the skin. And I liked it, but like you had to use so much to try to build it up. I would use literally like almost half the bottle to try to get it up, to get like any product out, to get a base that I would like, and I could care less about that, and it made me mad. So now they came out with it, but now it's like medium coverage, and I can do a medium coverage. Like there's no issue with that, but my phone keeps locking myself out. I can do medium coverage. Like that would be like a perfect match. I think would be great. Next thing I want to try is the Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base Priming Moisturizer. I'm all for my Smashbox primer. Love it to death. But I kind of want to try something else, but that's still moisturizing. And everybody uses the Bobbi Brown one. Jeffree Star uses it and says it's amazing, and he's got dry skin. So if he says it's good for dry skin, I feel like it has to be, because he doesn't lie about products. We know he doesn't, and he doesn't beat around the bush about anything. Like he's so blunt, and he's been using it for a while, and I've been wanting to try for a while. I just haven't pushed the like button to do it, so I haven't hit like order. Like it's been in like my loves list for Sephora for like the longest time. It's a little pricey though. I think that's what makes me like not really want to buy it, because it's $60. And I want to make sure that it's worth $60, but like Sephora doesn't sell a small size of it. I don't think. I'll have to look to see if they do, but like I don't think they do. And then lastly is a skincare product. Are we shocked? No, this girl loves skincare. Is the Glam Glow Good in Bed Passion Fruit Softening Night Cream. Now, this is a night mask. I'm getting really into night masks, like overnight ones that you could just like put on before you go to bed, and then you go to sleep. And in the morning you wash it off, or you really don't have to, because some of them you don't. but I'm so into those. And I love Glam Glow, so like anything they make is freaking amazing. So like I want to try it. I love the packaging because it's red. The name's hilarious. I think it's so funny. But like I really want to try it because I'm really into night creams, and it says it's good for dehydrating skin, or which is what I have because it's dry. So it means I need more moisture in my skin. So those are the products that I really would want to try. Alright guys, so I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments down below with your Instagram handle, if you've not yet entered the giveaway, and what products you would like to try from either Sephora, Ulta, drugstore. Let me know what products you want to try. I'm always interested, and I love talking to you guys down in the comments. If you want to enter the giveaway, don't forget, I'll have all the rules down in the description down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!